ICT Functional Skills, the Word Home tab. Topics you need to know. You need to know about the Home tab ribbon. You need to know about the clipboard, the font formatting, the paragraph formatting, styles, and find and replace. Now the Home tab ribbon includes copy and paste, line spacing, paragraph alignment, bullets and numbering, highlighting, borders, and much more. You'll find that the features in this ribbon allow you to make content more presentable, which you'll be utilising more than most tools in Word. So we're currently in the Home tab ribbon, and you can see it split down to clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, and editing. And the clipboard on the far left, you can see that's where you go to paste. If you click this drop down, you've got different paste options. And every Microsoft program has different paste special options, and they're worth investigating. So if you were to copy something by highlighting it and copying it, you then get the option to paste and the different paste options. And that's what the clipboard comes in useful. If you've copied and pasted a few things in the past and you want to paste one of them again, you expand this clipboard here and you can see all the items you've recently pasted. And if for any reason you're having any issues, you can clear all these items as well. I'm going to close this pane. Now to look at the font formatting in this window just here. You can see the different font types I can use. I can change the size. I can also change the size this way, make it bigger and smaller. Capitals, lowercase. I can also highlight something, then erase all the formatting, which can be quite useful if copying and pasting from different sources. Make something bold, italic, underlined. I've got different options here. How do I want to underline it? I can strike through and say something's not relevant anymore. I can subscript and superscript something. I can also make some sort of text effects and typography as well. Highlight something with my notes, as well as change the text colour, like making red for something that's important or urgent. And then we come on to the paragraph formatting. We can add bullets, numbering, we can align things, sort of decrease and increase the indent. In some situations we can sort things. Another useful feature, if we're looking at another document that somebody else has made, we can use the paragraph markers to see where the actual editing, paragraphs, and some of the features are. Of course we can left align, center align, right align, and justify. If you're handing in an essay and somebody's going to need to read this from the screen, you may want to think about the line and paragraph spacing. It makes it a little bit easier to read. Let's do shading, and there's the option for borders as well, which you can expand. And then we go on to styles. Now styles are particularly useful for things like headings, which if you want to do a contents page is quite useful. It's also useful if you've copied and pasted things. It's also good for branding, and you can look at the various styles, and you can easily pick from those styles to brand all your documents. You can also edit these, or start afresh to make your own brand of colours and certain font types and sizes for different headings, titles and such. And then we go to over here in the editing area. You'll see the find. Now this is a feature I use quite a lot. I use find as well as replace. I also use Control F, which also does find. It allows me to find instances of certain words in a document instead of me having to scroll through. If I've spelled something incorrectly, or a company name has changed, or a person's name has changed, I can actually replace all instances of that word in the document in one go. Okay, and that's the basics of the Home ribbon. Practice task. Type up any study notes you have made. Format the content to help draw your attention to the keywords and make the content easy to read. Note what you have used before and what you think might be useful to start adopting.